Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 Moral Science class. Children, this is the second video of this week. In this video, children, today again I will make you revise the chapter 6 and the name of the chapter truthfulness. Okay children, so but before children, something I would like to tell you about the truthfulness. The story truthfulness explains us the basic moral value that everyone should be following in their lives. Being truthful helps us ease all aspects from being a kind person to one of the most lovable person. The people who always speak the truth are the people whom everyone trusts on and rely on. So children, we should always speak the truth. That's why the name of the chapter is here, the truthful King Solomon. Yes, the name of the chapter, the truthful King Solomon. In this story, children, you all will see a king. The name of that king, Solomon. He saved a man's life by the speaking of truth from enemy. So children, you should also always speak the truth like a Solomon. He saved a man's life by the speaking truth. Now children, so with hope you all have understood, you all have listened this story. So now without wasting a time children, today we all will do the work related to this chapter. Yes, we will do this exercises. Like today we all will do the choose the correct answer. Like first question is here, who was truthful man? Who was a truthful man? Already you have seen children. Here is the picture of Solomon and the name of the story, the truthful King Solomon. And here is asking who was the truthful man. So what will you say? A Solomon. So what will you, which is the correct? A number is correct option. A Solomon was a truthful man. Okay, and now by the speaking truth he saved a man's life, so from enemy. He saved a life from enemy. So King Solomon was a truthful man. Now come to the next second number. What can be achieved by the following the path of truthfulness? We can achieve success. Spelling of success is here, SUCCESS, success. We can achieve success by the following of truthfulness. And also children, the people who speak the truth are the people whom everyone the trust on and rely on. So children, we should always speak the truth. We should never speak lie. Okay, now next come to the next is here. The man resumed his chase, and A option is true and B is false. So which is the correct? No, it is the false, because man has not resumed the chase. What? The enemy has resumed the chase. Okay, so option B is correct. It is false statement. Chase resumed, it means resume means restart. Chase means trying to catch. It means again he trying to catch who? The man? No, the enemy wants to catch him. Okay, so because he did not believe on Solomon, he thought he this man is joking with me, and he again started to chase him. So which is the correct? What? B. It is false statement. Here should be the enemy resumed his chase. Now come to the next 4 number. What was the question is here. What was the Solomon carrying? A basket, a bucket. What do you know about that? Yes, King Solomon was carrying a big basket. Not only basket, he was carrying a big basket. So A is correct option. The basket was very big. Okay, the basket was very big, and also and for saving the man's life, Solomon said to a man, get into this basket. Then again he put the basket on his head. So what was the King Solomon carrying? He was carrying a basket. Now after that, who did not believe King Solomon? Who did not believe Solomon? Yes, the enemy. Here should be the enemy. The enemy did not believe on Solomon, because enemy thought he is making fun with me, and so he did not believe on him, and then he started to chase him. Okay, now after that, what is the meaning of realize? Realize meaning, realize, it means to feel. Yes, A is the correct option. To fill. Realize means to fill, and truthful means honest. So meaning of truthful, you will say the honest, and the realize, it means to fill. F-E-E-L, fill. Now after that, who was after the man's life? Who was after the man's life? What will you say? The enemy. The enemy was after the man's life. So A is the correct option. Enemy wants to chase him. Yes, he wants to catch him, but due to Solomon, he did not succeed in his plan, and by the help of Solomon saved his life. But who was after the man's life? What will you say, children? The man was, what the enemy was after the man's life. Now come to the next question. Where did King Solomon put the basket? King Solomon put the basket on his head, and in that basket a man was hidden to protect from enemy. So by the speaking truth, Solomon, he saved a man's life, and also he was carrying a basket on his head. So which is the correct? A is correct option, head, H-E-A-D, head. Now children, it's time to speak the quotation. Okay, so after me children, a hard word you will underline also and learn, and then after you all will speak. Like first quotation is here. First one is here. Breathe not the sins of other so long as thou art thyself a sinner. Okay, I'm saying the spelling of breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe not the sins of others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others, so long as thou art thyself a sinner, S-I-N-N-E-R, sinner. Again I am repeating, breathe not the sins of other so long as thou art thyself a sinner. It means just imagine what a world fault finding and the backbiting might look like. It will look good qualities. Now after, O son of man, neglect not my commandment. Spelling of neglect, N-E-G-L-E-C-T, neglect not my commandments. Spelling of commandments, C-O-M-M-A-N-D, commandments, M-E-N-T-S, men. O son of man, neglect not my commandments, if thou lovest my beauty. Spelling of beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y, B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. So, O son of man, neglect not my commandments, if thou lovest my beauty. Okay children, so 1 and 2 already I have spoken. Now come to the next, number 3. There is nothing sweeter. Yes, here is nothing sweeter than the existence than prayer. Here is telling about here is nothing sweeter except the prayer. So children, we should always speak, we should every day speak the prayer. That's why it has written here, there is nothing sweeter. Here is nothing sweeter in the world of existence. Spelling E-X-I-S-T-E-N-C-E, existence than prayer, P-R-A-Y-E-R, prayer. There is nothing sweeter in the world of existence than prayer. Now come to the next. Desire not for anyone. Yes, desire not for anyone of the things you would not desire for yourself. Spelling of desire, D-E-S-I-R-E, desire not for anyone of the things, of the things you would not desire yourself, you would not desire for yourself. Now to give and to be generous. Generous, it means sharing what you have. To give and to be generous are the attribute. It is the attributes of God. It means if you will serve, if you will serve to the person, that you will, it means you are giving your service to the God. So to give and to be generous are the attributes of God. Attribute, it means you have a advantage. So to give and to be generous, G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S, generous. Now ye are the fruits of, come to the 6th number, ye are the fruits of one tree and the leaves of one branch. Fruits spelling, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits of one tree. We all are the fruits of one tree. It means we all are the people of God, and the leaves of one branch, and the leaves of one branch, branch, branch. So children, these are the quotation 1 to 6. At home children, you all will read this quotation and try to learn with hard word. Like hard word is here, breathe, like sinner, neglect, commandment, beauty, sweeter, existence, desire, yourself, generous, attributes, fruits. These are the hard word of the quotations. You all will children learn with hard word. So one time again I am revising. BREATHE, breathe, sinner, 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 neglect, 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 commandments, 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 beauty, 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 sweeter, 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 existence, 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 desire, 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 yourself, YOURSELFs, yourselves. Now generous, 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 attributes, 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 attributes of God. Here are the fruits, fruits spelling FRUITS, fruits. So children, at home you all will learn 1 to 6 quotation, okay, and also you will learn with hard words. So for today I hope you all have understood this chapter again, and with quotation also you will learn the quotation. So for today, thank you and have a good day everyone.